Hello, Shelley. Here's some video feedback for you on the Milestone 1 logo. I'll also be looking at the beginnings of your website. No need to apologize. We're all at different places here, but looks like you actually have a good start on a portfolio website, and you'll finish that in your capstone graphic design class. Good going. Shelley, I don't know if you're more comfortable with paper and pencil, but always consider sketching in something that you can generate a lot of variations quickly and sort of unself-consciously. Sometimes I know the exercise required us to create our sketches in Illustrator, but maybe there should be a prior step where you visualize it first and then see if you can recreate it in Illustrator. Nice variations. They don't vary widely, but I think you're tending towards a ligature. I think for that reason which is the tying together of two characters. And I like that in this. You've made a single character really out of two. Here it's a little bit more separated. When this is reproduced small, some of these details might fill in. And I'm not sure, I like maybe a flat color oval, but the hairline, coral oval, I'm not sure. It might get lost. Think that this is going to be used on a business card and potentially, maybe a billboard. So it has to serve at a wide variety of scales. When I open this up now you met the requirements of the rubric just fine. I'm just saying that in terms of constructing it moving forward, when I open this up in Illustrator, and here it is, I see that you haven't converted your fonts to outline format. That's a fairly easy thing to do, and that I'm missing. I can't see it in Illustrator because I don't have Clinic Slab and bold italic or book italic. Here's how that's done in Illustrator. Here's a typeface I do have that you've used. Just select the type or line of type. Go up under, you can't see it, it's off screen here. Go up under type in Illustrator, create outlines. And that will give you the vector paths, which you can then adjust. Now here, for example, if you wanted to merge these two characters. Well, I can't do that. Show you how, but you're going to use Pathfinder. And okay, so here's what I meant. I've converted both of these to paths. You can see that, right? And then I'm going to select both of them. See what happens. This is the Pathfinder tool. If I merge them, no, that's not what I'm looking for. Here, there we go. See, it gets rid of all those interior arcs that I don't need, and I don't have to go back in and laboriously fix them. This will give you make things a lot easier to alter. I mean, for example, if I wanted to take that, flatten this curve out, I can do it just by bringing this in and adjusting some of these control points, to get a more perfect ligature or smooth ligature. Similarly, I might consider, extending this into the S shape. Just some suggestions on how to construct your logo. Shelley, this is a good start, and so it shows to me that you have an understanding of CSS as well as HTML. And as your sophistication in typography grows, this is a fairly easy template to change things around in. You may not want to use all of this italic, chancery italic. In view of your logo, especially, you might consider using maybe a different kind of sans serif. This is a script font that was used, originates in manuscripts. It really wasn't designed for the screen. Now that's just a suggestion, but I'm not going to get into the design of the website so much as just checking off that you have a place to post your branding suite, and you do. I appreciate how much work it takes to get to this point. This probably came out of GRA 410, right? And you'll have an opportunity to refine it in your portfolio class. For the purposes of this class, it's fine. Just be aware that you'll be posting your branding suite either as images or maybe a composite image here on this website.